right, fam. So with the holidays, you know, it's really not the holidays without decorating, right? So for this Vlogmas, I thought it would be nice and fun to go ahead and decorate the kitchen. Ho, ho, ho! We can do something fun with this refrigerator. But first, we got to do a little bit of cleaning up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all that stuff from up there, rearrange this whole area right here. Okay, this little spice rack coffee pot area, we're gonna do something different with this. And then we have this little big space for this wall right here, so maybe we can do something fun with that. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
I'm gonna be helping my mom.
Make it neat. Put it right there.
Where?
At the bottom. Good job. Ooh. Good job. Take this, put it there. All right, you guys. So we're gonna start right here on top of the refrigerator. We have the Christmas tree with this reindeer. And then this is the cute little snowman. So he has the hat, the eyes, the nose, the scarf, and the buttons. Okay. And then this is how we got this area looking now. We just moved the spice rack over here. Everything else is still the same. And then we have the wallpaper that's making it look nice and cute and festive. And then we have the countertop decor. This is a nice, cute Christmas tree. And then you have your little mini hot chocolate bar with the reindeer right here as well. And to go with the hot chocolate, we have the little hot chocolate glasses right there. They all say something different. And then right here on the cabinet knob, you got a little bit more festive right there. So that is really cute.
And we're making dinner. And it's gonna be the best dinner.
Okay, hold on, Kate, step back. So that's how it looks from that angle. And then we also told you about this wall right here. We got the little Santa Claus just hanging there. So as soon as you come in the kitchen, he's saying, ho, ho, ho.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right, you guys. So we hope you enjoyed our little Christmas kitchen makeover. If you enjoyed this video, or want to know where we got any of the items from, make sure you go ahead and comment down below. We'll see y'all back for tomorrow's video. Bye.
Bye.
I thought I'd take a ride.